So you want to make money online? I'm going to show you how simply by watching ads. It's pretty simple, guys, but I need you to make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video because at the end, I have an extra bonus offer for you where you could get a bonus just by signing up for this simple website. In there, you could actually watch ads and make money, but I have 3 websites on the list, starting off with Swagbucks. Swagbucks is on the list because this is a very trusted website. It's been used by thousands of people. It's been on BuzzFeed, the Penny Hoarder, ABC, the Huffington Post, okay? Get free gift cards in cash for everyday things you do online. Now, this website has a lot of different things you can do, but one of the main things you can do is watch video ads and get paid. It's pretty simple. You guys could kind of understand why there is this business because advertisers want to sell things, so they'll pay for a certain number of people to watch these ads, and it's pretty simple to use. You get Swagbucks, basically, or swag points, I believe they're called. And basically you cash those out for money in gift cards and prizes. It's pretty simple, easy to join. It's pretty straightforward, not much else to say. So I'm going to move on to the next website, which is MyPoints. This is another really cool website. So MyPoints, earn free gift cards when you join in shop with MyPoints. Okay, sign up for MyPoints. Earn for shopping online with any MyPoints partner, including eBay, Groupon, and Walmart. Redeem your points for gift cards, award miles, and more than over 75 top retail restaurants and travel partners. Well, what they don't say in the main page is that you don't have to shop online with them. One of the ways you can make money with them is by watching video ads. It's pretty simple, guys. You watch video ads on MyPoints, and from that, you will earn points on the website. Now, these points you could use to redeem for PayPal, eBay, Walmart, Groupon, all these different gift cards, and it's pretty nice. It's very similar to Swagbucks, but I think Swagbucks has a little bit higher pay, but the highest pay, in my opinion, is the final one, which is Inbox Dollars. Now, this is a website I have used the most. As you can see, I have $42 in my Inbox Dollars account right now. I've cashed out at least a dozen times on this, guys. This is my favorite online paid survey website. They do paid surveys, of course, they do games, but one of the cool things you could do, again, is watch ads. You watch advertisements, you go over to the video section right here, and you get paid to do that. Now, the quick bonus offer I have for you is for Inbox Dollars. If you sign up with Inbox Dollars using my link in the description, okay, in the description, you'll start off with a free $5. Free $5 just by using my link in the description. So if you're going to go with any of these websites, I would say Inbox Dollars is the best one, but it's entirely up to you. I included 3 on the list because I want to give you guys some variety so you could pick whichever one is best for you. Check them all out, and if you do want to go with Inbox Dollars, just make sure you use my link and you'll get a free $5 bonus just for sign up. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time and have a great day.